Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to add a hair catcher to your system. We highly recommend that everyone uses a hair catcher between the tub and the pump. This is a way to protect your water pump and make sure you get the maximum longevity out of your water pump. The job of a hair catcher is to catch all big debris that falls into the tub, gets sucked through the bottom hole and into the drain. For example, hair, any type of wood chips, anything that you drag into your tub will absolutely gets captured right here inside this filter. All right, so if you purchase this kit from us, you have a few parts that you received. First step is to take these barb connectors and apply them to the threaded inserts. Now, both of them are the same. Make sure that there's lots of Teflon tape applied. If this was not applied, just apply it yourself. And then you want to screw this in. Always just hand tighten it, don't use any tools, and go as far as you can on both sides. All right guys, so I just hand tightened both sides. You will see that one side went in really all the way almost in. On the other side, there's still a little bit of a gap, and from our experience, it's okay. It's really tight. Just make sure if there's any leaks or drips, redo this, reapply the Teflon tape, but I don't think you're gonna need it. Okay, so the rest of the kit, you have 2 hose clamps and you have a piece of 3/4 inch tubing. This is 3/4 inch. So the first step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the system off, and we're going to connect this. So I'm gonna pre-apply this right here, and I'm going to connect this other end to the to the tub valve that with the water out. So I'll show you. Okay guys, very important step. You see there's an arrow. This is showing how the water should be flowing through the hair catcher. So make sure to put this green piece of tubing on to the arrow, or focusing this way. Okay, so it's gonna go like this in our setup. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the valve off at the bottom here. Next, I'm going to release this hose clamp over here. Okay, and I'm going to remove this tubing. When I remove this tubing, ideally you have a helper, okay, because we're going to keep this up. Okay, we're going to hold this up, because if you hold it up, water is not going to be escaping. So I'm going to gently put it here. I'm going to put my hose clamp on here, and I'm going to attach it to this valve. Okay, and I'm going to close this hose clamp. And we're gonna connect it, close it. Okay, good. Now we're going to open up our... All right, so we just installed the hair catcher right here. So I opened up the valve, so all the valves are open, and I connected the hose clamp here and here. So you see everything is now connected. And now I'm ready to turn back our system. When you reconnect the power, the first step is to make sure that the water flow is still strong. There's lots of water flow. Good. So we have our water flow. Okay guys, so this is the final result. We have a hose clamp here, here, and there. And the hair catcher is installed. You can see the water's flowing through it. Our water flow is still very strong. And the system is functioning.